Hi, Stephanie here. This is the Spark Lab, the part 3 where it's the Spark streaming. This is where my streamer is, and this is going to be where my word count is. Right off the bat, these are all my keys for Twitter. Then all the way down here is where I set up the sockets and just the connection, the port. This is the port I'm using, localhost obviously, and we're listening for somebody else. Once the other one has made a connection, then it's ready to start streaming. So it'll call get tweets, and this is get tweets. Get tweets is where we stream from Twitter the tweets. Obviously, we're choosing language English, location in the United States. Then over here is where we get our response, and we return our response to our RESP. RSEP is where our Twitter stream is right now. So we're going to pass that to this function, send tweets to Spark, and it's going to iterate through each. So it's going to get each tweet rather than all of them at the same time. So for each tweet, I just need the text. So I extract the text from the JSON object and I print it to the screen to see that if it's still working. Then over here, I am sending it to this file. This is where it's going to go. Streaming will execute in each 3 seconds. So every 3 seconds it'll do its thing. See, it's listening on this port 9009 and it's returning as a data stream. This is a dstream object, so I'm able to perform map reduce on it. So here's the map. We're getting each line, so each line of text, we're splitting it so that we only have the words. Then each word is going to be mapped to the value of 1, and then each of these words is a key. So we're able to reduce all the keys together and get all the values together in sort of one object, and then we just add those values together. So for example, if hi is in it twice, we'll have hi, 1, hi, and then 1 again, and then reduce will have hi, 1, 1, and then it'll take that value 1, 1 and add them together to get 2 as the value, and it'll print that out to the console so that you can see that it counted 2 highs in there. So now I'm going to run it real quick. So first is my streamer, and then second is my word count. And in a second or two, it'll make its connection. So it's gotten its first tweet, second tweet, and then over here, this one is just waiting and processing, and this takes a long time. It takes a long time to do its word count, so I'm going to pause while we wait for results. Okay, and I just got some results right here. So as you can see, it had get as 1, it had the word in as 2 times, and then it had the rest over here. And maybe I could find that tweet somewhere. Here's that tweet, see? With the hashtag Apple. So as you can see, it had the hashtag Apple and it was able to run the word count on it. And now it's still going again. So here you go. As you can see, it's able to take in the Twitter stream and then perform a word count on the tweets gathered.